What's going on, guys? As my video views grew, the number of comments and questions I was receiving also grew, but I quickly noticed that I just kept on getting the same 5 or 6 questions asked over and over and over again. So today I'm just going to go through and answer all those. And for anyone new, this was my 2015 F30 BMW 335i that I recently sold and will be replacing with an F30 340i soon. So hit the like button and subscribe if you're interested in seeing a build series on that car. The first question is, did the tune cause any problems to the car? So the car is at 63,000 miles right now, and it's been tuned by boot mode for a little over a year now. So I think I put over 10,000 miles on it with the tune on. Well, since I tuned it, the issues that I've had are a leaking oil filter housing gasket. I had a end of a coolant line like snap and spray coolant everywhere, and then 2 weeks ago I had to replace the valve cover gasket. But these are all common issues on completely stock N55 engines. I really don't think the tune caused any of these problems, so I'm gonna go ahead and say no, the tune has been pretty reliable. It hasn't really done anything to the car. Now maybe like a long term down the road, after over 100,000 miles has been put on it, maybe at that point it will have worn out some parts a little bit quicker, but overall no, boot mode is pretty reliable. The next question is, does the downpipe cause any weird smells in the interior? So I got a lot of comments from people saying they just installed a catless downpipe on their BMW and now it smells like gas inside the car sometimes, and they really don't like it and are thinking of switching to catted. So my car had the VRSF high flow catted downpipe, and with that one, no, I didn't smell anything ever. It smelled completely fine in the interior. But the car I'm sitting in right now, which is my brother's E92 335i with a catless downpipe from VRSF, with this car sometimes I do get some weird gas smells. So yeah, if you don't like weird smells, just get a high flow catted downpipe instead. Next question, what is your paint color called? And the answer is mineral gray, and I really like mineral gray. Think it looks really good. When I'm shopping for my next car, I hope I can find another one in the same color. But if not, the other color I'd be going for is white, because I think a white car with black trim and black wheels looks really good. The next question is, has the car been reliable overall? And I actually put out a video where I went over every single issue that I had with this car since purchasing it. So for an in-depth answer, you should go check that video out. But the quick answer is, immediately after I bought the car, I had some issues where I had to get the axle and differential replaced, which was done under warranty. But that was kind of my fault. We were doing burnouts with the car and sliding it around, and we damaged it. Other than that, I had a lot of annoying like interior rattles that were all covered under warranty. And then I've just had a lot of like oil leaks and one coolant leak. But definitely go check that video out if you want the full story on that. Next question is, what is your exhaust setup? And if you're watching a video that was made before September 29th, 2020, then the answer is AWE Touring muffler and AWE Touring non-resonated mid-pipe with OEM downpipe. Now, if you're watching a video that was released September 29th, 2020 or newer, then just add a VRSF high flow catted downpipe to the list. By the way, I highly recommend this exhaust setup. It sounded absolutely amazing. All the N54 guys who talk trash about the N55 being slow, at least my car sounds better. Now the last question, and this is by far the most common question that I get on the channel, is what wheels are those and where'd you buy those wheels from? And the answer is, these are Style 763M replica wheels that I bought on eBay a little over a year ago. If you're gonna buy replica wheels instead of the originals, just accept the risks, realize that they're not gonna be as strong as the originals, but they're also only like 1/4 the price of the originals. And I haven't had any issues with these after a little over a year of driving, and I've even hit some potholes with them. The only time I had a problem was when I curbed them one time, but I've never like bent them or anything. But that's it, guys. Go check out the Instagram, Onw.auto. I've been getting a lot of DMs from you guys on there telling me about your cars, asking me questions, all kinds of stuff. And I do enjoy talking to you, so keep the messages coming, and thank you for watching.